VSK-94 lightweight silent sniper rifle enables covert engagement of targets by sniper fire at a range of up to 400 meters. Small size, effective silencer, flash-free operation provide covertness of position and convenient handling of the weapon. Due to VSK-94 automatic fire mode and large magazine capacity, there is no need for the sniper to have additional self-defense weapon. The rifle is a quick disconnect one and may be placed into a special bag for transportation purposes. Ricochet-free sniper rounds are used for firing. Along with day vision optical sight that is included into the supply set, the rifle may be fitted with a modern night vision sight.